Hello everyone who watched this tutorial. Today I will share with you my new flower pattern. This flower has 3 rows only. This flower made of lace that I sew by spiral direction. They are 45 petals. In the flower, each size of the petals has 15 petals. Short, middle, and long sizes. In this case, I used another kind of yarn as variegated, and in this case, I used cotton yarn. Join us, don't miss new video tutorials with my new patterns, and of course, crochet with me. Let's crochet this simple flower. Let's make this cute flower. For this, make a chain of 5, but let's look at my yarn. I left the long piece to sew my petals together in the flower. Let's crochet chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then chain more by pattern. Make single crochet. Now work with the second chain stitch away from the hook and make single crochet. Then single crochet into the next chain stitch. Continue half double crochet and 2 double crochet in a row. The first petal is ready. In total it should be 15 of them. First is ready. I need to do 14 more. Now I show you how to crochet the second one. I will begin and you will continue by yourself. Make a chain of 6, then single crochet into the second chain stitch away from the hook, then single crochet into the next chain stitch. In total it should be 15 of them. I have done 15 such petals. You can crochet more petals than I did. It depends what size of the flower you will want to get. The amount of petals you determine by yourself. In my case, I did 15 petals. This is the small size of petals, and now I show you how to crochet bigger size. For this, make chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And now make single crochet into the second chain stitch away from the hook. Then single crochet more into the next chain stitch and single crochet one more time, then half double crochet, make 3 double crochet in a row. 1, 2, and 3. Well done. Here what I have. I'm going to do the second petal, and now I show you how to crochet the second one. I will begin and you will continue by yourself. In total it should be 15 of them. Chain of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now single crochet into the second chain stitch away from the hook, then single crochet more into the next chain stitch and single crochet, then half double crochet, 3 double crochet in a row. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. And as you can see, I have done 15 petals of the middle size, and now I show you how to crochet the biggest petal. I remind you, this flower can crochet even beginners. Chain of 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oops, I lost my loop. 9, 10. Plus 1 chain. In total it should be 11 chains and single crochet into the second chain stitch away from the hook. Then single crochet 2 more in a row, 1 and 2. Then half double crochet and double crochet in a row. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In total it should be 6 double crochet. The first petal is ready. Then I'm going to do with next petals of this size. In total it should be 15 of them. First is done. I need to do 14 more. Let's crochet the second one. Chain of 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And single crochet into the second chain stitch away from the hook, then single crochet 2 more in a row, 1, 2, and half double crochet and 6 double crochet in a row. I have done the lace made of petals of different sizes. Each size consists of 15 petals. Small, middle size and long petals. The number of petals you determine by yourself. I did 45 petals, and now I show you how to make the trim. Make a chain, make single crochet into the stitch, chain, make single crochet between petals, make a chain and single crochet into the stitch, chain, make single crochet between petals, then single crochet into the stitch and single crochet between petals, chain and single crochet into the stitch, chain and single crochet between petals, then single crochet into the stitch. Let's complete this row together. After I did chain, insert the hook into the first chain stitch. On the beginning, make single crochet. The lace is ready. Let's look at my lace. As you can see, this trim makes the lace like a spiral. Make a chain. Insert the hook into the chain space, make single crochet, and single crochet into the chain space. Then single crochet into the chain space and make single crochet into the chain space. And so on. Keep working in this way till the end of this lace. I have already done the second row of the trim. I did single crochet into the chain space. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. On the beginning of the previous row, make a single crochet. Let's stop and look at my lace. Here how my lace look like. It looks like spiral. And in this case, I'm going to make the flower. Now I'm going to twist my lace, and while twisting, I'm going to sew two pieces together by spiral direction. Now I'm twisting like this. For example, I have made exact lace made of variegated yarn. It is made of cotton yarn. Let's look at another example. Let's look at my spiral lace. Here how it looks. You can use such lace like belt, bracelet, or necklace. I remind you, this flower can be made even beginners. I have already sewn my lace. Here what I have got. My adorable flower is ready. I remind you, this flower can be made even beginners. Let's look at the back side of my project. As you can see, I work it by spiral direction. And let's look at the front. For example, I did the exact flowers made of variegated yarn. And in this case, I used cotton yarn. It is bright and colorful flower. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel or page on Facebook. Share my videos, write comment below the video please. And crochet with me. Thanks for watching.